Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you're here. So if you want to find out more information about this unit that I'm wearing, stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was sent to me by a company called Headwrapbabe. They were kind enough to reach out to me and sent me this unit. Let me show you what she looks like. She's a fro, y'all. It's a fro. But yeah, I just want to tell Headwrapbabe thanks for sending me this unit. I appreciate it. So this unit is in a style Africa. Did you just hit one hair guessing your lashes and stuff? But this hair, the style is Africa Afro Headband Wig. And this is a high quality Japanese synthetic wig. And it's one size fit all. It has an elastic band, you know, just to fit every size. And it is $27.99. And it comes with a free headband. And each headband is worth $5.99. But this is what she looks like. She is big, got the little knot right here, and it has the drawstring and nothing else. So the drawstring is the only way you can secure this unit. And a review of this hair is already up, so make sure you check that out. But I'm gonna take this unit off and put Africa Afro on. I like it. It's very, I'm just trying to hide the knot, but this is what it looks like in the back. But y'all, I like it. I just love it. It's just easy to go. You just throw it on and go. And I'm trying to finesse it, but this looks like I just took out my natural hair and put in a fro. I like it. See the curls? Like I'm pretty sure if you want to make it bigger, you can. You can definitely make it bigger. And oh, guess what? I got my first discount code. So if you want to save 10% off your order, let me make sure. Let me check the email, make sure I'm giving you the right information. But yeah, if you use the code Lee, you can save 10% off your order. Anyways, but yeah, make sure you use the code if you decide to get this hair so you can save some money. They got different styles on there. I just chose this one because this one looks very natural. And yeah, I don't really have the one thing I'll say, like, this is truly one size fit all because it's a little big for me. Let me see if I can make it tighter. I mean, I made it tight. She tight, but it still feels like, do you see that? Do you see the movement? It's like, I feel like it's I don't know, just with it sitting on my head, it's like it looks nice, it's pretty, but it's just like, I don't know, I feel like there's a space, like there's an empty void in my hair, cause like, yeah, so this is definitely big hair friendly. I guess because it's like, it's big, I can put it to the side. There's a look right here. Oh, it says but I just plop it on the side. This is the headband that came with it. I love the print, y'all. Do y'all see this? Oh, I'm gonna put it on. Yeah, so I had to drop this off of camera because I was struggling just a little bit. See, I can't even move too hard and my bowl is falling apart. But I like the hairband, the hair wrap, because it's not even a hairband anymore. I like the hair wrap. I mean, besides this wig, there is not much I can really say about it. It's very throw on and go, bikini friendly. Like, sis, nobody can tell me this is not my hair. Like, can you prove it? Can you prove that it is not my hair? No? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Can you just be nice? But yeah, oh, I like it. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. But yeah, oh my gosh, like there's not really much to say, but like it's just that it's throw on and go, and the hair wrap is really cute. Like, you cannot tell me this is not cute. Oof, sis, like this is my hair. Okay, well, I just want to tell Headwrapbabe thanks for sending me this unit, and make sure you use my discount code if you do end up purchasing a wig from this website. And make sure you thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe, share, you know, and follow your girl on Instagram at Love Your Crownz. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.